All right, first off, serious? All right. I'm in this Range Rover, and it's kind of making me feel some type. Look. Are you serious? We put the heated seat on. Oh, okay. Oh. Let me turn this down. I don't want to get burnt on my butt, but give me something. There we go. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Well, this fanciness. All right, let's push OK here. This car gonna make me add another vehicle to my house. Let's look at the. All right, this is stupid. All right, I need to get out of this car. I'm sorry. Let me get out of this car. I messed around. Follow.